Hey, what's up, Pundi X holders? So today video is going very special because I tell you in this video to Pundi X going up or Pundi X going down. So this video is going very special for Pundi X holder, and I have also one good news for Pundi X holder. Yes, especially for for my Pundi X holder. Okay, not for everyone, just for Pundi X holder. So let's start the price prediction of Pundi X. But I tell you, my friends, if you are new on our channel, please click on the subscribe button. Please, I hope you subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscription, and also like this video if you need this type more informative video. Press bell icon also for videos notification. Guys, if you can see here, this time the chat occur and the last 1 hour chart you can see here. I tell you to 40x going up and upcoming days are going down. Very important decision because a lot of holder don't know about this today. Going up in upcoming days are going down. So he asked me on Instagram or Gmail, especially mail me to please tell me this is going up or this is going down. So I imagine that to please this is I need a video to make especially for holder to understand everyone and just in 2-minute video. Absolutely, this is definitely very important video gone. So guys, this time you can see here 40x has gone very badly down and a previous death. But at those days, if you can see here, the last 1 hour, they take a very good jump. This is a good chance, and the price is increasing day by day, hour by hour. So this is good news for everyone. My friends, Pundi X is going up in upcoming days. I hope in the previous days, let's check out the last previous day to what's going on in the last 3 days. And the last 3 days, Pundi X definitely very badly going down, my friend, and everyone go start selling. But I think this is good time to you buy again because Pundi X is starting moving up, and I hope they make you millionaire. They give you good profit at the end of this month. So definitely you if you understand to what I tell you to please, this is again time to you buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I guaranteed you, man. So they going up like a rocket. Every cryptocurrency, I have 3-year experience, and I see all these type charts when they crypto coins going down however month 1 month they going down, but definitely when they starting jumping, then they give us very good profit. They make you millionaire. So I think the Pundi X is one of them, and I hope they starting jumping in upcoming days. They going up like a rocket. If you already say, I already show you in the last 1 hour, you can see here 7.55% they're going up. Oh my goodness, my friends, they're going up like a rocket. So please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news, and we remember to this is buying time and holding time, and wait for the good time, wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand something new in this video. Like this video. Please complete my 1000 like in this video and complete my 10,000 subscribe. Please, I do a giveaway. The good news is that to giveaway is coming soon. Please, 10,000 subscribe complete now, and I do a giveaway. I make special video for this. This is just announcement. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.